Financial emergencies have a habit of cropping up at the worst possible time when you're stuck in between paychecks. You might be tempted to turn to a credit card or a payday loan, but those could rack up costly fees. You may be able to get a portion of your next paycheck early using apps like Earnin or Dave. These apps that loan you money before your paycheck hits the bank let you borrow small amounts of money, often without charging interest. With some, you may just pay a membership fee or a voluntary tip. Number 1. Dave. Interest-free cash advances worth up to $75 or $100 with a Dave debit card. Banking app with expense tracking and option to open debit account. $1 monthly membership fee and a small fee for expedited delivery, plus voluntary tip. Dave is a membership service that costs $1 per month. Qualified members can get paycheck advances worth up to $75 or up to $100 with a Dave debit card. The money can take up to 3 business days to reach your account. There is also an express funding option that will get the money deposited quickly for a fee. You can also choose to give a tip when you take out an advance, but tipping is optional. How it works: connect a checking account where your paychecks are directly deposited and have an account history with several consistent paychecks. Your approval may also depend on whether Dave determines whether you'll have enough money to repay the loan, so if you generally get paid and spend all your money the next day, you might not get approved. You can repay the loan automatically from your connected checking account, or repay part or all of the advance early if you want. Number 2. MoneyLion. Up to $250 cash advance at 0% APR with Instacash. No credit check for using Instacash. Personal finance app offering various financial products. MoneyLion is a personal finance app with a variety of features, including interest-free cash advances worth up to $250 with its Instacash feature. MoneyLion also offers mobile banking, credit builder loans, automated investing, financial tracking, and cashback rewards. How it works: download the MoneyLion app and create an account with your email address. Link your checking account to see if you qualify for 0% APR cash advances of up to $250 without a credit check. To qualify for Instacash, you should use a checking account that's been open for at least 2 months that shows a positive balance and regular income deposits. Number 3. Bridget. Borrow up to $250 with a cash advance without a credit check using Bridget Plus $9.99 monthly membership fee, which includes free instant transfers. Banking app that helps with expense tracking. Bridget is a personal finance app that allows you to take out cash advances worth up to $250 with its Bridget Plus plan, which costs $9.99 per month. The amount you can borrow is based on your bank account activity rather than your work schedule. Bridget Plus offers other features, such as account monitoring, and members are eligible for free extensions if they're having trouble repaying the loan. Bridget doesn't charge late fees or instant transfer fees, and it doesn't ask for tips. How it works: connect a checking account that's been active for at least 60 days, has a positive balance, and has at least 3 recurring direct deposits from the same employer. You'll also need to have a history of maintaining a positive balance the day of and day after your payday. Once you're set up, you can request an advance on your next paycheck. The amount will depend on your checking account's history and can be worth up to $250. You can receive 1 advance at a time, which will automatically be repaid from your bank account on your next payday. However, you are also able to repay the advance early. Number 4. Daily Pay. Withdraw up to 50% of your earned wages per pay period. No fee for standard 3-day withdrawals or instant withdrawals to your Daily Pay wallet, but $2.99 to $4.99 for instant withdrawals to accounts at any other bank. Banking platform partners with employers to offer more financial features. Daily Pay is among the financial wellness apps that loan you money by offering interest-free paycheck advances with its Instant Pay feature. You can request an advance of up to 50% of your next paycheck using the app. The money will be deposited into your account and then paid back with an automatic withdrawal on your next payday. A standard withdrawal into your bank account is free and could take up to 3 days. There is a $2.99 to $4.99 fee if you want to request an instant payment to a third-party bank, but instant transfers are free into your Daily Pay wallet. How it works? To be eligible for Daily Pay Instant Pay, you must have a checking account with 2 months' worth of consecutive direct deposits from the same employer. The company also offers more features if multiple employees at the same company use the app or if your employer signs up. Number 5. Earn-in. Withdraw up to $100 per pay period or up to $500 after continued use of the app. Paycheck Advance is available without a credit check. No fees or interest. Earn-in makes money from voluntary tips. Earn-in is an app that loans you money from your next paycheck without charging fees or interest. However, Earn-in does ask for support in the form of tips. At the start, you may only be able to withdraw up to $100 each pay period. But based on your account balances and use, the pay period maximum could potentially increase up to $500. The payment will arrive in your checking account within 1 business day or even a few seconds, depending on where you bank. The next time your paycheck hits your bank account, Earn-in will automatically withdraw what you owe. How it works? Earn-in keeps track of the money you earn while you work, and you can withdraw a portion of your unpaid wages before your next payday. Connect your bank account if Earn-in supports your bank, and verify your paycheck schedule. You must have direct deposit set up and linked to a checking account. Number 6. Chime Spot'em. Current Chime users may find Spot'em helpful if they regularly overdraw their checking account when using their debit card or making a cash withdrawal. Spot'em offers up to $200 in fee-free overdraft to users who direct deposit at least $200 into their Chime account in a 34-day period. In addition to Spot'em, Chime also offers another feature: the option to receive your paycheck up to 2 days before your payday if you sign up for direct deposit into a Chime checking account. How soon you receive your funds depends on when your employer submits your paycheck. Chime generally makes this available the day it receives the payment file. However, early direct deposit is a common feature on many checking accounts, including those from big banks like Capital One and Chase. Those who don't already use Chime may want to compare other pay advance options if you need to borrow for a larger expense. New Chime Spot'em users won't be able to receive more than $20 with Spot'em until you've built up a history of regular deposits. Spot'em doesn't cover ACH transfers. The transfer is declined if you don't have the money in your account. How Chime Spot'em works: fees, features, and requirements. Spot'em allows you to overdraft up to $200 from your checking account when you make a purchase with your debit card or withdraw cash from an ATM. Limits start at $20, but account history and regular deposits may let you increase your limit up to $200. But Pay Anyone transfers, Chime checkbook, and ACH transfers don't qualify. Chime Spot'em fees. While Chime doesn't charge a fee to use this service, third-party fees still apply. For example, if you use an ATM that's out of Chime's network, you may pay a fee. Number 7. Albert Loan. Albert is a financial services app. It's not a bank, but it offers banking services through FDIC-insured Sutton Bank. The aim is to help Americans reach financial stability. Albert has no monthly or overdraft fees. Along with banking, the app has savings, budgeting, and investing services. For financial guidance, Albert offers Genius, a team of financial experts. Users can get an interest-free advance, cashback rewards, and early paycheck access. Albert is a mobile app available for both Apple and Android devices. There are no physical locations or accessibility options without using the app. Once you download the app, Albert asks you about yourself. This is so the app can better understand your individual financial situation. Once that's done, you'll be guided to connect your financial accounts. This is when the Albert algorithm starts to work. It analyzes your income, spending, and budget, finding ways to save you money and improve your overall financial wellness. The algorithm helps you spot issues such as unwanted fees, bill hikes, and more. For a small fee, you can also choose to take advantage of the Genius service. Genius allows you to ask any financial question at any time and get honest advice from a financial expert. This service is available day or night, so you can ask your question whenever it hits you. Albert doesn't have many fees. Since the goal of the company is to help Americans reach financial stability, Albert specifically doesn't charge monthly service fees or overdraft fees. There is a cost to use the Genius service, but the company allows you to pay what you think is fair. The current minimum for Genius is $6 per month. You can start investing with just $1.